Okay, I'm back at May's, one of my favorite restaurants for Thai food in Pattaya. Excellent food. They just brought me out a couple of things. A little appetizer. This comes gratuitously. I'll just give that a taste. Wow. Very nice. Like spring roll. Very tasty. They also brought me out this lovely looking drink. Ginger and apple and lemongrass, I believe, is in it. Really refreshing. Oh, and as it hangs out in the mouth, it there's more flavors come in through time. Hi, I'm here with May.
Sawadee. It's me again.
Me again?
Yes.
And she's brought out some delicious food here. Maybe she'll tell us about what we have here.
Here is vegetable soup using the best vegetable stock, which is very delicious and healthy, of course. And here we have a maize vegetarian curry. It's homemade curry paste, and also I put my love into this, so that's why the curry here is so delicious. I can guarantee you this is the best curry in town. Yes.
All right.
Bye.
Thank you. Had some wonderful looking food here at May's, and I'm just going to try some of it out. I'll start with some of this soup. It's just loaded with fresh veg. And I'll give it a try. Wow, really good. Now I'll try some of May's famous curry. Again, this loaded with fresh cut veg. Try it. Wow. Fantastic. The flavor is amazing. And there's some, you bring out as much rice as you want with them. The rice is nice and fluffy. All right. Excellent. I'm just going to enjoy it. They just brought out a sample of mango cake for me to try. So I'll give that a taste, see how it is. Wow. Nice fresh mango. Excellent. All right, I'll enjoy it. Thanks for watching. I hope you got value out of that restaurant adventure. If you check out the text, you'll find location, menu items, and links to further information. Your likes, your shares, your comments are all welcomed and appreciated. And if you're watching on YouTube, you can click the subscribe button. And if you want upcoming videos, just hit that bell. Okay, thank you.